What's up, guys? Welcome to another edition of Michigan Streets and Eats. Today, I got my boys Keith and Parth with me. We're out at U of M at Good Time Charley's. We're about to go in, have a couple of Fishbowls, eat some food. Come on, come inside with us. Who do we have here? Mr. On away from some of the natural light too. What's up, Mise guys? Today we're at Good Time Charley's. In front of me, I have one of their well-known Fishbowls. Less steelers. I mean, look at this thing. It's beautiful. It's beautiful. What do you got there?
Got a nitro milk snack. Delicious. It's still breakfast time, right?
Somewhere in the world.
Somewhere. That's why I got a snack.
This is going to be pretty lofty to finish off.
Well, it's not really It's good.
That's good.
I expected.
What's up, guys? What's going on, Clifton?
That's all. I can't nothing. I'm about to indulge in this lovely drink.
Slimer, as we call it. Got Devon over there.
I'm just here, just being me.
What did you get?
Purple Rain.
Purple Rain, okay.
Yeah.
Shout out to Prince. Alright.
I tasted Purple Rain before.
Did you?
Yep.
Yeah. Tell us how
Like
it is.
Thanos Blood.
What did you end up getting, buddy?
This is the Pim's Cup. It's got gin, mint, cucumber. We're good right now. Thank you.
I mean, I'm assuming sour cream, like...
You want some sour cream?
I don't know what I want. Cheese? Like, I don't know.
I can get you sour cream if you want some.
Alright, cool. Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
Thank you.
Alright, man. Gavin?
We have some special guests today. We have Mr. KZ, Keith Zimmerman in the house. We have the one, the only.
How's it going? Please don't. third year med student at Med Park. I need slap.
Did you guys order anything yet?
Not yet. We just got here.
Just got here.
What'd you guys order? What'd you have? So, I mean, we just had these. I might order more, honestly. They're so fucking good.
They are really good.
Yeah, they're pretty good. You already
We'll have those two together, and then I'll have a separate.
Need some contrast. See this is orange.
That is
Different colors on the color wheel.
Yeah, not the same color.
For the record, you ain't trying to grow, then it's done for you. For the record, lab on me going all the way. For the record, ain't trying to link, no time to waste. For the record, for the record, for the A6 all the hate. I won't get a ball today. Got lost in the ball and A's. I'm flipping the balls, I'm flipping the on record, off record. I still count wins when they got it. On record, off record. I let them take advantage. I was wildin' on record, off record.
So we apparently really love to eat. You should probably eat some of this bread.
Yo, come over, guys, come over.
Just some amount of water. You need water to make ginger beer and club soda, and you need water to make
soda
gin
in
too.
there, so you're okay with it?
Yeah, so there's ice in here too. You know how you make ice?
Oh, lemons.
Dude, there's some water.
Cucumbers have water.
You know how much water's in a cucumber?
A lot, I heard.
Like 90%.
I heard a lot, yeah.
Like
90% water.
I heard a lot.
But I would have
believable,
yeah.
right?
I heard like the Earth has like 80% water, but it's like 76 or 70. 75.
3/4.
Yeah, 75 I think is the number.
And you know the Earth itself is like 75% water.
Bro.
But it's becoming more water.
Did you know clouds are water too?
What the fuck?
You know,
His
body has water. Sir, can you hand me that drink, Say that one more time.
Dinkosaurus Rex.
Wait, you said something. Say it one more time.
Dinkosaurus Rex.
Oh,
Dinkosaurus
okay.
It's a drink on the ground if you drink.
Dinkosaurus, Dinkosaurus.
Huh?
Drink it.
Drink it.
I'm letting him do most of the film today. At least now.
This restaurant is lovely. This restaurant is the most beautiful place in the world.
The natural wonders of the world. This
know,
is the
right?
most beautiful place. Forget the Marianas Trench, Grand Canyon,
And forget all
Mount
this shit.
Rushmore.
Forget, listen, it doesn't matter.
I was like,
The owner, he's the GOAT. You hear me?
We have a little Monk's Cafe for you. I've written down what you're going to say after you taste it.
is this a beer? You gotta read it.
Oh, they say this doesn't even taste like beer.
Oh.
He gave you a